This is very out of character for me, kaya gusto ko i-share. Anyway, may event kasi ako after shift kanina. So, late na ako nakatulog. Parang mga 2 p.m. na yata ako nakatulog after shift. So, 6, 7 p.m. na ako nagising. So, syempre, ang shift natin is 8 o'clock. Tapos may mag-check-in tayo, may calls and whatever. So, madali ang self. So, ayan, nakapajama pa ako. O, nakapantulog pa ako. Nilagay ko na lang yung aking coat over my pajama before ako maligo mamaya ng break. So, ganun lang. Kaya ang advice ko sa inyo, mga freelancers, remote workers, wag na wag kayong magpapajama pag may mga meeting kayo, okay? Make sure na meron kayong on hand na ready to put on na coat. Wag magti-t-shirt. Kahit kliyente nyo pa yan for how many years already, never ever come into a meeting na nakapajama ka lang, na naka-t-shirt ka lang. Make sure na meron kang blouse or blazer. Mura lang to, sa Shein lang to, parang less than 1K. Invest is in a blazer or a blouse that you can put in whenever you have to face your clients. Trust me, no matter how many years mo nang kausap ang kliyente mo, katrabaho ang kliyente mo, professionalism goes a long way. And the way you present yourself to anyone that you talk to, especially your clients, is showing that you respect them. Okay, so this is one way to always consistently show executive presence and respect to your clients. So make sure na kahit nakapantulog kayo sa loob, kasi syempre perks of being a VA, then make sure na may blouse kayo. But this is not my usual. I'm always naka-dress up kapag nagtatrabaho ako, kahit dito lang sa bahay. Lagi akong parang nasa labas. I really make sure kasi it helps my mindset, yung set ng mindset ko that I'm ready for the work day. So I'm always dressed well, na parang I am going sa parang on-site na office. Ganun siya. Because it helps me be more productive. It helps me put my mind on working mode. So yeah, this is just one of the tips that I can give you in terms of professionalism and how to be productive daily. Anyway, happy weekend everyone. I hope you had a great week and enjoy your weekend.